So you're telling me I can get double the amount of ice cream, have 10 different modes, and get it for way cheaper than it usually is with the coupons right now? This is the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe XL, and not only does this one come with much bigger pints than a regular CREAMi, but you're gonna be able to make creamicinos, frozen drinks, slushies, milkshakes, and Italian ice, while also being able to make regular ice cream, protein ice cream, sorbet, gelato, and froyo. And my favorite part is this one comes with Ninja's dual processing system, which means you're gonna be able to make 2 separate flavors on the bottom and the top, and you can run it to either just blend the top, blend the bottom, or the entire pint. So you can save half for later, give half to your family, or blend 2 separate flavors together. This is seriously the best CREAMi I've ever owned, and the fact that it's this cheap right now is a great deal. The only issue though is I don't know how much longer Ninja's gonna run this coupon for. So if you guys wanna pick one of these up while they're this cheap and you see a link right down here, I would pick it up while you can.